Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable A/B testing in Google Optimize Alternatives step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your account on the alternative platform you choose for A/B testing. Navigate to the dashboard or main interface of the tool. Look for a section dedicated to experiments or testing. Select the option to create a new experiment. Input a descriptive name for your A/B test. Choose the type of A/B test you want to conduct, such as a split test or redirect test. Define the original version of your web page, often referred to as the control. Create the variations you wish to test against the control version. Specify the traffic allocation for each version, deciding how visitors will be distributed. Set the goal for your test, like conversions or user engagement. Configure any additional settings such as targeting criteria or scheduling. Ensure all versions and settings are thoroughly reviewed for accuracy. Preview the experiment to see how each variation appears to visitors. Once satisfied, initiate the A/B test by clicking the Start or Launch button. Monitor the test's progress through the platform's analytics dashboard. Collect data on user interactions and performance metrics. After the designated testing period, analyze the results to determine the winning variation. Implement the winning version on your website based on your findings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.